Welcome back. More than 42,000 women died from breast cancer in 2022, according to the CDC. While each and every patient fights to overcome the disease, it's also important to plan for the worst. Let's bring in our legal expert, Danielle Mayoras, joining us today with tips for estate planning for those battling cancer. Okay, Danielle, a heavy topic here, but why is it so important for a patient to start thinking about this?
You know, you want to be able to focus on your recovery, whether you have breast cancer or any other illness or disease. Your energy should go towards your recovery, and that means sometimes you have to rely on your loved ones to pay your bills, to talk to your doctors, and in order for them to have legal authority to do that, you need to have the proper estate planning documents in place, even if you're married.
So speaking of those documents, what are the important ones to make sure that you have all ready to go in the event the worst happens?
I would say the top two would be a financial power of attorney, so someone can pay your bills, invest your money, withdraw money from IRAs, 401ks, and then of course the medical durable power of attorney, or what we call in Michigan a patient advocate designation, so someone can access those medical records and talk to your doctors. And anytime you go into the hospital for surgery, they're always going to ask you if you have that.
And when should you really start thinking about this? Because I have two parents who battled cancer, and you're dealing with so much, you're thinking about so much. When do you even begin to bring this into the conversation as well?
That's a tough question to answer. Ideally, we want to do this before we even have a diagnosis. But I think it's important to reach out to the attorney as soon as you find out you have a diagnosis, whatever it may be, because you want to get this in order and focus your energy on your medical issues and just check this off the list.
And with loved ones trying to support a patient who's dealing with this, how can they best do that? What role do they serve in all of this?
I think just to be there as far as from the legal end, to be there to help, whether it's your mom and dad or your spouse, to be able to communicate with the doctors and talk to the CPA or financial advisor. I always recommend you keep a list of the professionals you work with, their names, their contact numbers, and also have a list of assets. You don't have to put the values down, but if something happens and your loved ones need to take over, they need to know where to go and what to do.
And in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month, you're also doing something special to help people dealing with this. What's that?
So our law firm is really passionate about this, and so between now and the end of the year, anyone who's been battling cancer, any cancer survivors, we're offering a 25% discount on estate planning.
That is incredible because, again, such a heavy conversation to have, not easy to start planning for all of this. Thank you so much, Danielle.
Thank you, Lauren. Appreciate it.